friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking sweet potatoes and apples in the air fryer. So what we need is sweet potatoes, apple, and you can also use cinnamon as a seasoning, or you can use any other seasonings you like, or no seasoning at all. It's totally up to you. So I washed the sweet potatoes and apples before making the video. Whether you peel the sweet potatoes and apples is totally up to you. I like the peel, and I just think peeling them is too much work. So I'm just going to leave the peel on. I'm not going to peel the sweet potatoes. If you'd like, you can peel them. So now I'm going to cut sweet potatoes. So we'll just cut them into pieces. So now I'm going to put them in the air fryer basket and sprinkle with cinnamon. And I'm going to cut the apples and add them to the air fryer as well. And now sprinkle some more cinnamon so it's on top of the apples. And you can also shake it to distribute cinnamon more evenly. Now let's put sweet potatoes and apples in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 18 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake it so apples and sweet potatoes cook more evenly. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these sweet potatoes and apples. Perfectly cooked. They look amazing. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. So they're perfectly cooked and tender. Let me just cut it to show you. So see, perfectly cooked inside and tender, and apples as well. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. They taste amazing. So tender and naturally sweet. You're going to love these sweet potatoes and apples. An air fryer makes cooking them so easy. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!